Now, guys, let's take a look at what gold will be giving us for the day. So let's take a look at the prediction for our gold for the day. So basically, our full trend on gold is still an uptrend move, right? We are still in an uptrend move. Gold just literally give us a drop, which formed an equal higher low, right? With equal higher low, and now we'll be expecting gold to push up. So guys, this is the best time to open for the buy on your gold. So if you are not yet in the buy on your gold, go ahead and go ahead for the buy right now, because gold will still push up and it will take out this high, thereby forming a new high. So with that movement, you will be making about 300 pips, right? This is the potential 300 pips movement right on your gold. So do not miss out on this movement and go ahead for the buy. Now, why are we going to be expecting that bullish move? Is that when you go to your daily time frame and you zoom it out, you can clearly see that this is your trend, which is an uptrend move. You all know the rules of trading. First, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. And now this is our trend on a gold. We are in an uptrend move, right? Market is still trending to the upside. Now, second, we need to trade with the trend. And as you can see, since it is an uptrend move, we need to trend with it. So this is our first push up, which is the high. Here comes the higher low. This can also be seen as our higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now, market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Then here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high, and then it dropped to give us an equal higher low. So this is an equal higher low right here, right? We are currently at an equal higher low. So guys, this is one of these where I said a buy is what we are going to be expecting next. A bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our gold. So let's see how gold plays out. And probably in our London session, once the London session opens, then we would now start looking for a buy setup, probably in your 1 hour time frame, right, or your 4 hour time frame, whatever time frame suits you, right. Go ahead and look for your buy setup that will push up to give us a new high. So, guys, a further bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on WTI crude. So, subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next updates I'll be dropping.